Imagine this. What if there were behaviors that younger women absolutely love, yet only 1.1% of older men seem to know or do them? Today, we're diving into these little-known secrets that can significantly enhance your appeal to younger women. We'll uncover what specifically captivates younger women and why these traits are so rarely demonstrated by older men. This isn't just about attraction. It's about understanding deeper desires and how to fulfill them in ways that most overlook. Stick with us until the end to learn these exclusive strategies. Whether you're looking to enrich your interactions or simply curious about the dynamics of attraction, we promise insights that feel like unlocking a new level of understanding. Don't miss out on these revelations. Before we go on, if you're curious about improving your dating skills, why not book a free 60-minute strategy call? Just click the link below. 1. Noticing and mentioning her lingerie. Imagine the power of paying attention to the little things. Noticing and complimenting her lingerie when it becomes visible can make a significant impact. Younger women love it when older men notice the small details. It shows that you're observant and appreciative of her effort. It's not about being crude or overly forward. It's about being subtle and sincere. For instance, if you catch a glimpse of her lace bra strap, say something like, "That's a nice color on you," or "That lace looks great." These simple yet effective compliments show that you are attentive and genuinely appreciate her choices. Think about it. How many men actually notice these details? By doing so, you set yourself apart from the rest. Younger women want to feel special and noticed, and this is a perfect way to do that. When you mention her lingerie in a respectful manner, it creates a sense of intimacy and shows that you see her in a way others might not. This small gesture can have a big impact. It makes her feel seen and valued. It shows that you're not just looking at the surface, but appreciating the finer details. This attention to detail can build a stronger connection and make her feel more special around you. So next time you catch a glimpse of her lingerie, don't shy away from giving a genuine, respectful compliment. It's these little things that can make a huge difference. 2. Suggestive whispering in public. Picture this. You're out in a public setting, surrounded by people, and you lean in to whisper something subtly suggestive in her ear. This creates an intimate moment amidst the chaos, which younger women find thrilling and incredibly sexy. It's a private connection in a public space. You don't have to be explicit. Keep it light and playful. Maybe say something like, "You look absolutely stunning tonight," or "I can't wait to have you all to myself later." The key is to be subtle and create a sense of anticipation. This type of whispering shows confidence and boldness, two traits that are highly attractive. This kind of communication can ignite a spark and keep her thinking about you long after the moment has passed. It shows that you're not afraid to express your desire, but in a way that's tasteful and intriguing. It's these little whispers that can turn a mundane evening into something memorable. Imagine her reaction when you whisper something suggestive in her ear while you're in a crowd. She'll feel a rush of excitement and a deep connection to you. It's a way to make her feel special and desired without making a scene. This kind of intimacy in public can be incredibly powerful. So next time you're out together, try whispering something suggestive in her ear. It's a simple yet highly effective way to keep the spark alive and make her feel uniquely connected to you. 3. Creating private signals. Having your own private signals is like having a secret language that only you two understand. Imagine developing nonverbal cues or signals with suggestive meanings that can be used discreetly in public. Younger women find this incredibly exciting because it creates a special bond and adds an element of mystery and fun to the relationship. Create signals that are subtle but significant. For example, a certain way of touching her arm could mean you're thinking about her. A specific glance might suggest you want to be alone with her. These private signals can be a playful way to communicate without anyone else knowing. This secret language is not just fun. It builds a unique connection. It shows that you've put thought into your relationship and created something special just for her. It's intimate and personal, making her feel like she's part of a special club. Think about the excitement of sharing a private signal in a crowded room. It creates a connection that's just between the two of you, adding depth to your relationship. It's these little things that make your bond stronger and more exciting. Developing private signals shows creativity and thoughtfulness. It's a way to keep the relationship dynamic and engaging. It's something younger women love but rarely get from older men. So, create your own secret signals and watch how it deepens your connection and makes her feel uniquely bonded to you. 4. Offering a sensual massage. There's something incredibly intimate about a light, sensual massage. Offering to massage her shoulders or neck shows you care about her comfort and pleasure. Younger women love this because it's both relaxing and intimate. It's a way to connect physically and emotionally without saying a word. When you offer a massage, make sure it's gentle and thoughtful. Use slow, deliberate movements and focus on her tension points. Listen to her responses and adjust accordingly. This isn't just about physical touch. It's about creating a moment of relaxation and connection. A sensual massage shows that you're attentive to her needs and willing to take the time to make her feel good. It's a simple gesture that can have a big impact. It's about showing care and intimacy in a way that's deeply appreciated. Think about the effect of a well-timed massage after a long day. It can help her relax and unwind, making her feel cared for and valued. It's these small acts of kindness and attention that build a deeper connection and show your thoughtfulness. Offering a sensual massage is a way to express your affection and create a sense of closeness. It's something that goes beyond words and touches the heart. So next time you're with her, offer a gentle massage and watch how it strengthens your bond and makes her feel cherished. 5. Complimenting her in another language. Whispering compliments in a foreign language can be incredibly seductive. If she finds a particular language attractive, learning a few phrases can make a big impression. Younger women love this because it shows effort and a touch of exotic charm. You don't need to be fluent. Simple phrases like "you're beautiful" or "I adore you" can be very powerful. Whisper them in her ear and watch how it affects her. It's romantic and shows that you're willing to go the extra mile to impress her. Imagine her reaction when you whisper a sweet compliment in a language she loves. It's a unique way to stand out and make her feel special. This kind of complimenting shows thoughtfulness and creativity. It's different from the usual compliments she might hear and adds a layer of sophistication and charm to your interactions. Think about the impact of a simple, heartfelt compliment in another language. It's not just the words, but the effort you put into learning them that makes it special. It shows that you're thinking about her and willing to put in the effort to make her feel cherished. So next time you're close, try whispering a compliment in a foreign language. It's a simple yet powerful way to make her feel special and appreciated. It shows that you're attentive and thoughtful, and that you care about her preferences. I hope this video is sparking some ideas for you. If you're ready to take things to the next level, why not sign up for our free dating strategy call? Discover effective strategies to meet more women and boost your confidence. Check out the link in the pinned comment now. 6. Brushing her lips lightly. There's something incredibly intimate about lightly brushing her lips with your thumb or finger. It's a small gesture, but it can be very powerful. Younger women love this because it's delicate and sensual. Imagine the moment. You're close, maybe in a quiet place, and you gently touch her lips. It's a subtle way to show affection and desire. This kind of touch can create a deep connection and spark intense feelings. This gesture shows that you're attentive and in tune with her. It's a way to communicate desire without words. It's intimate and personal, making her feel cherished and wanted. This small action can leave a lasting impression. Think about how this simple gesture can create a moment of intense intimacy. It's not about being overly physical, but about creating a connection that's both emotional and physical. It's a way to show your affection in a gentle and meaningful way. Brushing her lips lightly is a way to express your feelings without saying a word. It's a small but powerful gesture that can make her feel special and cherished. It's these little things that build a deeper connection and show your thoughtfulness. 7. Engaging in prolonged hand-holding. Holding hands might seem simple, but holding her hand a bit longer than usual can be very meaningful. Younger women appreciate this because it's a way to show connection and security. When you hold her hand, don't rush it. Let your touch linger. Whether you're walking together or sitting close, a prolonged handhold can convey a lot of emotions. It shows you're present and engaged in the moment. Think about the effect of holding her hand just a little longer. It makes her feel secure and valued. It's a physical connection that says, "I'm here with you." It's comforting and can deepen your bond. It's a small act, but it can make her feel very special. This gesture makes her feel secure and valued. It's a physical connection that says, "I'm here with you." It's comforting and can deepen your bond. It's a small act, but it can make her feel very special. Holding hands longer than usual shows that you're attentive and engaged. It's a way to show your affection and make her feel cherished. It's these little gestures that can make a big difference in your relationship. So next time you hold her hand, let it linger a bit longer and see how it strengthens your connection. 8. Complimenting her softly on her skin. Complimenting her skin can be very intimate. When you tell her how soft her skin feels, do it in a gentle, sincere tone. Younger women love this because it's a personal compliment that shows you're paying attention. Say something like, "Your skin is so soft," or "I love how smooth your skin feels." Make sure your tone is soft and genuine. This kind of compliment can make her feel cherished and appreciated. It's not just about the compliment itself, but the way you deliver it. A gentle tone and sincere words can make her feel very special. It shows you're attentive to the little things and that you appreciate her on a deeper level. Think about how this simple compliment can create a moment of intimacy. It's a way to show your affection and make her feel valued. It's a small gesture, but it can have a big impact on how she feels about you. Complimenting her softly on her skin is a way to express your appreciation and make her feel special. It's these little things that build a deeper connection and show your thoughtfulness. So next time you're close, whisper a gentle compliment about her skin and see how it makes her feel cherished. 9. Using light touch on her neck. A light touch on her neck can be incredibly intimate. During a conversation, gently brush her neck with your fingers. Younger women love this because it's a sensitive and often overlooked area that can create a strong connection. Imagine talking and then lightly touching her neck. It's subtle, but powerful. This kind of touch can create a moment of intimacy and show your affection without saying a word. This gesture shows that you're attentive and in tune with her. It's a way to communicate your feelings subtly and intimately. It's a small action that can make a big impact, creating a deeper connection and making her feel special. Think about the effect of a light touch on her neck. It's a way to express your feelings and make her feel cherished. It's these small gestures that can have a big impact on your relationship. So next time you're in a conversation, gently touch her neck and see how it strengthens your bond. Using a light touch on her neck is a way to show your affection and create a sense of closeness. It's these little things that make a big difference in your relationship. It shows that you're attentive and thoughtful, making her feel special and appreciated. So now that you know what she loves, what's next for you? Discover the signs you're an attractive older man, or learn how to make her addicted to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.